Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time on a Manker EO2. Now I was sent this directly from Manker. They are selling them on their own website at mankerlight.com, which I'll leave a link down in the description. So this here runs on either a AAA cell or a 10440 cell. In my test I will be using the 3.7 volt battery. It comes in this box. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what's in. Comes with some extra stuff here. And here is the user manual here, showing you the UI. We're going to go ahead and concentrate here on this here. Okay, and as you can see, it shows 220 lumens on the AAA battery. But with the higher output cell, you're going to get almost 500 lumens on this little light. Or should I say tiny light. Definitely really nice. So we're going to go ahead, take a look here at some of the accessories here that are included. Comes with the lanyard. It's kind of a small one though. Comes with one extra O-ring. Comes with a nice chrome clip. Feels pretty heavy duty. And one key ring. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at the light. Very nice on the machining and finish here. Got a little bit of knurling here, a little bit here on the tail. Now my particular version that I have here is the neutral white and has the Nichia LED in it. Does have a little bit of a textured reflector there. That'll help it make it more floody. I like the steel ring around that. And just to show you here, that's the magnetic tail end of that. So you can see, really nice and strong, not going anywhere. So very nice, powerful magnet. It's not going to go anywhere. So that's always a plus. And we'll go ahead and take the cell out. I'll show you the cell that I'm using. I'm going to be using that higher output. This is a truss fire here. And this is an unprotected cell. Okay. Show you the springs here. And there's a spring down in the barrel there, but we'll go ahead and put it back together. Well greased on the threads. Okay. So now let's go ahead and put the clip on here. Now this clip can go on either way. You can have it going like that, or you can have it going like that. So you have two ways you can put that clip on there. I'm going to go ahead and put it on this way, and that's the way I choose to use it. So it's pretty nice. So now we're going to go ahead and go over the UI. And the UI is pretty simple. You're going to go ahead and turn that on. As you can see, it starts off on low. And then we're going to go through the light outputs here. Now remember, with the AAA cell, you're not going to get quite as much light output as you would this cell. So just so you know, it goes back down. Through the UI. Now if you want turbo, you can double click on that to get turbo, which this here is almost 500 lumens, which is actually pretty good. And it's a neutral white. Got a nice beam on there. It's got a little bit of a bleed here before the corona, and then goes into the spill. Okay, so now you can get from turbo, you can get strobe. And then of course you have SOS. And then from SOS you click it again to get beacon. And then step back down, you're back into the regular UI. Press and hold that to turn it off. So real simple and easy to use on the UI. Remember, from turbo you'll be able to get the special modes. And let's take this outside. See how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the little tiny Manker EO2. I'll go ahead and turn it on here. And you can easily make it 7, 10, maybe 15 feet there. Anything further, it's not really, yeah, it is faintly making that water spout. Now this is more neutral. Should I say it's completely neutral. As you can see on the fence, a little warm. So we're now going to go on the next level here. See, it's gone up a little bit more. A little more output there. But I like the fact that this light is evenly spaced out in the UI. Very nice. Making that 60 feet there. We'll pan around here. As you can see, it's got some pretty good distance for such a small little light. We're going to go to the next level here. You can see all the colors of the grasses. Now you're getting 60 feet there, 65 feet, I'm sorry. Very nice. Not quite making that tree yet. Alright, so now we're going to go on turbo. A lot of light coming out of this for such a small size. Makes an excellent keychain light, but you can also use it as an everyday carry. A lot of uses you can use this on with magnetic tail cap on this. Place it on any of the surfaces that you need that are metal, of course. Alright. Show a beam profile here. Alright. hope you enjoyed those night shots. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed those night shots. This thing is an incredible little light. Should I say tiny? Very impressive with the light output. And more I'm growing to like the neutral white for more of the floody and combination thrower and flood lights versus cool white. Now, cool white to me seems to be better on your throwers. So I'm really starting to like the neutral tint more and more. 5K, it does good for me. Anything lower than that is a little bit too warm, too much yellow in that beam. 5K is just the right amount of balance to me. And I just want to thank again Manker for sending me this to review. And if this is something you're interested in getting, you can head on over there to mankerlight.com, and I'll leave the link down in the description should you be interested in getting this. Truly amazing little light. Okay, well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these type of lights to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.